Hey my roses, what's up? Okay, so before we start the vlog, I do want to show you these cute bags I got from Wiskf. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but here's the name. Okay, so I'm not sure about you guys, but here in like where I'm from, they're slowly taking out like plastic bags. I've been like buying cute ones. I have a few here, and then Wiskf wanted to send me some, and I was like, duh. But they also have like makeup bags. What else? They have shopping bags, and they have aprons for like cooking and stuff. I got an apron for my mom because she's she works in the kitchen at work, so I got her one. Let me show you the ones I obviously opened it already because I couldn't wait. I was so excited. I gave my sister one. I got her one. And I asked her to send me a video of her like kind of modeling it because I hung out with her a while ago and I'm not going to see her for a while. So I gave it to her. Then I got this one for myself. It's the letter R. So yeah, it's the letter R. It's cute. It's black. Like, I'm obsessed. And the arm is big, you know? Like, I could be like... I'm obsessed. I think I'm so cute when I go to the store with them. I don't know why, like... And I think they also could make cute, like, like Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers or something. So that's the first one I got. This one is the second one. It's again an R. I thought they're so cute. Like, this looks like the standard ones. This one has more, like, it has the letter R, a cute little bow. This one's almost giving, like, purse vibes, to be honest. For aprons, there were so many cute ones. I didn't know which one to choose. But I got my mom. She likes sunflowers. I'm sure she won't mind if I try it on. So it's a sunflower one. It's really cute. Like, look at all the detailing. I'm gonna go give it to her after, but I already showed her what it looks like. And yeah, like I said, she works in the kitchen, so she has like this basic blue one. She has like a basic black one. So it's like, let me put my mom on. Step up her kitchen style. Make everyone at work jealous of her. Okay guys, so yesterday, by the way, I'm growing out my eyebrows. Like, for real this time, look. You see that? Like, I'm trying to go the front out so I can redo it a little more. They don't look that bad on camera, but in person, they look so much more like, ugh. Okay, so yesterday I was scrolling on, where was I? TikTok, and I saw this girl with layers. And I low-key love it. I love it, right? And I'm like, should I get layers? But the thing is, like, my hair is like low-key thin. Like, I don't have thick voluptuous hair. I got a thick body though. So I'm like, maybe just like a small little curtain bang, like to shape my face, you know? Or worst case, like only 2 layers, but like long layers. So obviously, like, before I do something, I went to TikTok and hashtag. And like, this girl's hair kind of gives me vibes. And like, she got like one layer to shape the face, and then like one more at the bottom. But I don't know if I want to do the bottom. I feel like my hair is too thin. Some water. We're just gonna like, I look so ugly.
Wait, show me. Let me
I'm on FaceTime with my cousin, so if you hear someone talking, it's her. Okay, so we're just gonna like, wait, let's go long in case.
Wait, you're doing bangs? Wait, are you doing bangs?
I can't believe how long it is.
You said you were not cutting your hair.
No, should I do a little trim? I'm thinking about that. Okay, so.
A little trim.
Oh!
Wait, Eb, it's not even.
Stop.
I'm kidding.
Ooh, me gusta mucho. But for real, we're gonna like, you know, point them out a bit because they're a little like, you know.
I can't believe you just did that.
Eb, some people know how to go with the flow and have fun. Eb, paranoid.
Okay, let's just go bald right now.
Okay, no, not me.
For the vlog.
No, thank you.
No, me I was talking about.
Okay, okay, look at that. I'm a professional. Call me Rosa do it all. Like, what do you think? I would look cute with a bob, huh? No, I'm not.
Yeah, right now.
No. No, I wouldn't.
Yeah, Ed, can you show me, like...
1 minute, like...
Make sure I look decent. I need to say hi to the vlog. Like, you never want to... Like, you always keep the black ones trapped away.
Okay, first, she's rude. I don't know how I feel. Ask Little Wayne who the 5-star bitch is. Huh?
Can you show them what they really want to see?
Okay, let me close my camera so they don't see the mess.
What? I don't understand what's happening.
Okay.
Can they see me?
Yeah.
Does it do it justice though? Like, look, I look all white.
Yeah, you do, and...
No, show them properly.
By the way, guys, there's this hot albino on TikTok. I never snitch on you, daddy. I'll catch a break for you, daddy.
Can you see that hot albino?
What are you, my publicist? She's asking me if saying albino is racist. Like, if it is, I'm sorry.
It isn't racist. I just said, like, it kind of sounds like, oh, I see this hot.
Oh, I get where you're coming from.
It's a little
Okay, but I'm sorry. I don't think everyone's good looking.
No, I'm just saying, like, can you just show that me, like, properly? Like,
for real? Like, I'm not getting like huge difference, but I'm getting slight difference. Look at my rosacea. By the way, guys, I'm diagnosed with rosacea. Damn. Like, I've been diagnosed. I just got diagnosed November 14th. I've been telling everybody, I'm like, yo, I have rosacea. They're like, sure.
You have rosacea.
Jayla Time made it up because Rosa rosacea. Like, okay, pipe down.
You would.
Anyway.
Excuse me?
Oh, that was me, my bad. Anyways, so what do we think, like, should we...
I'm afraid I'm not getting too much screen time.
One more layer won't hurt.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, I ignored you.
Or is your fat covering your ears?
I'm keeping that in. Do you see these curtain bangs I cut? This little...
Yeah, I guess.
Are they giving...
It blends in with the rest, right?
Or is it giving like, oh, new hairdo, oh my god, I was like, ah!
No.
So should I go shorter?
You should just shave it off.
Look, all of them want to... They all want me to look bad because they know I'm the prized possession.
Nobody wants to have it.
I gave my mom her apron. Cute. Do you like it? You're welcome. Don't forget who's your favorite daughter. Rude. Emma, look, I cut my hair.
Oh, okay, it's nice.
So my mom bought a tree. It's a small one. And it's really cute. It's like frosted or something. How much was it? 39. $39? That's it?
I'll go buy one more.
Okay, Mom, now you're weird.
I'll put it down.
It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. What is it? November? It's so early.
Oh,
Why are you putting
almost the end of November.
Mommy puts the tree up December 1st. What do you see them or like, are they like...
Oh, it's pretty probably will.
I'm talking about my bangs. Emma, do you see it? Like,
Yeah, it's nice. Coffee powder.
you don't have.
What are these?
Look, shut up. Really, literally, what are those?
Shut up.
What are
Stop.
those? So I decided I'm not gonna do anything to it except for kind of like take one of these. I learned this like in high school, but with like a shaver. People used to do it to thin out their hair. I'm just gonna kind of like brush it down, you know, like it just takes out a bit. Like I kind of see the vision, you know, and I kind of like the way this kind of goes like this, unlike this one. You get it?